Welcome to this step-by-step video on how to run a test case on the Doing ERP Kairos QA application. Log into the application using the given username and password. Once you are logged in, you will navigate to the dashboard screen. You can see the Run Test Case tab, which allows you to run the test case. Click on Run Test Case, choose the customer name, then choose the instance on which you want to run the test scripts. Select the module name. If you want to run Core HR, Learning, or Recruitment, select the module based on your subscription. For example, if you choose Learning, you can quickly download the test data. This test data file is a template where you must provide your test data depending on the different test cases. There is a color code provided for these test cases. Based on the color code, you can mark all the mandatory fields required to execute the particular test case. After making changes to this template file, save the Excel file with a different name. Navigate back to the application and choose the test case you want to execute. You can view all the test cases under the selected module. Select any one, for example, adding classroom. Once you choose the test case, you have the provision to either select multiple test cases for execution or execute a single test case. Click on Run. Here you must upload the test data. Click on Upload Test Data and provide your updated file. Choose whether you want to execute the test case in parallel or as a single execution. If you want to view the live execution, ensure that grid mode is turned on. Choose your preferred browser and click on Submit to start the test case execution. Once the test case is submitted, you can check the notification bar to view the execution progress. Click on Notification, and it will show that your test case is running. Click on Show More to view detailed test case execution. That's how you can quickly run a test case. Thank you for watching.